I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a default reply in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. The default reply is the message your chatbot will trigger as a reply when it doesn't understand the subscriber's message. To start, click Flows on the left side of your dashboard. In this section, you will see the system's general default reply. Feel free to edit it to your liking or create your own version. In this example, we will edit it. See how you can be creative in making your own default reply. Once your default reply is ready, it is time to publish it. Then go back to your dashboard. Go to Settings. Under the General section, choose the flow for your default reply. By default, nerDigital Chatbot Marketing chooses the system General Default Reply. In this example, we will leave it as it is. Now, let's test it. There you go. We just created your default reply in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.